In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT Codex for everyday work to automate routine tasks, solve problems faster, and improve your productivity even if you're not a professional developer. Start by signing in to your ChatGPT account and opening the Codex workspace. You can use Codex as an AI assistant that helps you create, modify, and understand code-based solutions for your daily tasks. Begin by creating a new task and describing what you need in plain English. You don't need to know programming syntax, just explain the problem or goal you want to achieve. For example, you could ask create a Python script that organizes files in a folder by type and moves documents, images, and videos into separate folders. Speaker or create a spreadsheet automation script that removes duplicate entries and formats a report automatically. Codex can also help with tasks such as analyzing data, creating small tools, automating repetitive workflows, generating reports, fixing errors, and explaining unfamiliar code. If you work with websites or applications, you can ask Codex to make small improvements, such as updating page layouts, fixing broken features, or adding simple functionality. For example, update this website's contact form so it validates email addresses and shows a confirmation message after submission. When Codex completes a task, review the generated output and read the explanation. Understanding what was created helps you make better decisions and adjust the solution to your needs. If the result is not exactly what you wanted, continue the conversation. You can ask Codex to simplify the solution, add more features, change the design, or explain specific parts of the work. For recurring tasks, save useful scripts, prompts, or workflows so you can reuse them later. Over time, Codex can become part of your daily routine by helping you automate repetitive work and handle technical challenges more efficiently. Even if you're not a programmer, you can use Codex by focusing on what you want to accomplish rather than how to write the code yourself. And that's how to use ChatGPT Codex for everyday work. Describe your goals. Let Codex create solutions, review the results, refine the output, and use AI to make your daily tasks faster and easier.